everybody, welcome to Japanese Cooking Lovers. I am Yuri. Today I will show you how to cook shishito. About 10 years ago, shishito suddenly became popular in the United States. I like shishito, and till then I couldn't find shishito in the store, but now you will be able to find it. And my best shishito recipe is my favorite. My favorite is tempra. I love tempra shishito, but today I will show you how to cook stir fry shishito with little sweet. It's very good with rice, plain rice again. If you don't have Bonito flakes, you don't need to use it. I have it and I like it, so I use it. By the way, do you know where the shishito name came from? I didn't know, so I Googled. And shishi means lion, and to is probably from togarashi, which is hot pepper. So why these two totally different things name put together? Because the bottom of the shishito, it's shaped like lion's mouth. That's where the name came from, and I thought this is cute, so I wanted to share with you. If you like my video, please thumbs up and subscribe my YouTube channel. I really appreciate. And this is Japanese Cooking Lovers, and I am Yuri. Thanks for watching, and see you soon next time.